If you can't afford your mortgage anymore, you're not a failure, you're not irresponsible, you're just a human being. Let's look at the facts. Over 6 million Americans are behind on their mortgage payment as of this year. More than 60% of U.S. households live paycheck to paycheck, despite $100,000 a year. And in 2023, over 320,000 homes were lost due to foreclosure. The reality is life happens, job loss, divorce, medical bills, inflation. If you're stressed, scared, or ashamed, you're not alone and you still have options. Here's what happens if you stop paying your mortgage. One missed payment after 30 days equals lender calls and late fees. 3 to 4 months of late payments, that's when a foreclosure is filed. After 120 days, auction is scheduled. It's sold at auction, you lose the house and possibly your equity. And the consequences? Your credit score drops 100 to 200 points. The foreclosure stays on your credit for up to 7 years. You may still owe on the house if you get a deficiency judgment from your lender. This means that the house sold for less than what you owed. Renting in the future is going to become super difficult because when they pull up your credit, that big old foreclosure is going to show up. And landlords are going to be reluctant to rent you a house. And just in general, your credit isn't going to be that good. The scariest part is most people wait too long to act and lose everything. Let's break down the most effective things that you can do right now if you're in this situation. Call your lender. They will have options for you. They can either pause payments for a few months. They can put payments on the back end. They can refinance the loan and make the payments lower. Call your lender. They will have options. Do not ignore those calls. That is absolutely the worst thing that you can do. Option 2, sell the house before it's too late. If you're more than 2 payments behind on your mortgage, you are in a critical stage. I still want you to try to save your house, but you need to start talking to cash investors or you need to start talking to a realtor so you know your options. You know how much money you can walk away with if you have to sell it worst case scenario. What I don't want to happen is you wait till the last minute. Now you can't find a buyer because the timeline is too short, or you do find a buyer and because paperwork was not done correctly, the bank still forecloses on your house. Option 3, if you're upside down on the house or there's not enough equity for you to make any money or you have to bring money to the table, then you can always do what's called subject to. That's when an investor or a person takes over your mortgage. It's going to release you of that monthly financial burden. It's going to save your credit and it's going to allow you to sell the house even though you're not able to get an offer from a regular person. If you can't afford your mortgage anymore, this isn't the end. It's just a turning point. You're not alone. Many people are going through this. The most important thing you could do is take action. If you want a cash offer on your property, hit the link in the bio. Let's schedule a call or at least give you advice on what you can do.